here is our new function. We could call this g of x just to switch it up a little bit. G of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Make that a little neater. Plus 6x squared plus 2x minus 60. And we know that a factor is 1 plus 3i. We know that that's a factor of this. That's a 0 of that. And what we want to do is, knowing that 1 plus 3i is a factor, when we just discussed this, that I know that since it's a complex number, they occur in conjugate form. So factors occur in conjugate form. So 1 plus 3i is a factor. That means that 1 minus 3i is a factor. Okay? So I know here's my x's. X's. I know these happen to be x's. Those are factors. Okay? So given this is our factor, since we just discussed this, that they occur in complex conjugate form, 1 minus 3i is also a factor. So what does that tell us? That tells us this, that this x. So we're going to say that x minus 1 plus 3i, and then x minus, so erase this, give us a little more room, x minus 1 minus 3i. So we're going to multiply that out. Probably the easiest way is to group our real numbers together, right? So if I get this, I get x minus 1 plus 3i times x minus 1 minus 3i. Okay, put another parentheses in there. So I get these now. If I grab these together, I get x minus 1 squared times, we multiply those together, minus 9i squared. So just grouping them together, now I know this through binomial expansion. This gives me x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 9i squared. Again, I remember that I squared is negative 1. So I write this, I get negative 2x plus 1 minus 9 times negative 1. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. So I get x squared minus 2x. So x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 9 finally gives me x squared minus 2x plus 10.